In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk delete profiles in Klaviyo efficiently and safely. This process is particularly handy if you're managing a large email list and need to clean up some data, like profiles that haven't engaged in a long time, or those who've specifically requested to be removed. So, let's dive in and make sure we do this correctly to maintain a tidy and effective Klaviyo account. To begin with, you'll want to create a list or a segment that contains all the profiles you want to delete. This is an important step because it lets you group together the profiles for easy management. You might decide to tag profiles that haven't opened any emails in the last year, or those who have requested to be removed from your list. The key here is to be strategic and precise, ensuring you don't accidentally delete important data. Once you've identified and grouped these profiles into a list or segment, head over to your Klaviyo dashboard. Here's where all the magic happens. Look towards the bottom left of the interface and click on the Account drop-down. This will give you access to various settings options within your account. Next, select the Settings option from the drop-down menu. Under the Settings section, you'll find a subsection called Other. Click on that, and there you'll see the Profile Maintenance option. This is where we'll be executing the actual deletions, so proceed with caution and make sure you're comfortable with your selections. Now, in the Profile Maintenance area, focus on the Remove Profiles section. From here, you'll be able to select the list or segment you grouped your profiles into. Once you've chosen the right list or segment, click on the Delete People button. Keep in mind that this action is significant. It will permanently remove these profiles from your database. A confirmation modal will appear on your screen next. This is Klaviyo's way of ensuring that you aren't deleting profiles unintentionally. It's a fail-safe that asks you to type in the exact number of profiles you're intending to delete. This additional step might seem a bit cumbersome, but it serves as a double check to prevent accidental data loss. After typing in the number of profiles to confirm your action, you can go ahead and confirm the deletion. Once confirmed, these selected profiles will be permanently removed from your Klaviyo account. Remember, this action cannot be undone, so it's crucial to be absolutely sure before you proceed. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward method to bulk delete profiles in Klaviyo. Regular maintenance like this helps keep your system organized and enhances your email marketing strategy. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.